I'm Kim Pittman, Senior Account Executive at Automation Service. Taking your plant's process offline for maintenance can be expensive in terms of lost production, direct cost for labor, tools, materials, and heavy equipment used to execute a turnaround. Our instant turnaround service offers 5 key benefits for your facility. First, budget certainty. With instant turnaround, you know upfront what your costs are, and there are no hidden surprises like there can be with repairs. You can count on what we quote upfront to be your final cost. The second benefit is schedule certainty. We will quote you a delivery date upfront to eliminate the guessing game. On top of that, with the valves arriving ahead of the turnaround date, you have no delayed schedules. That means you can have crews and equipment available and can install the valves on time. Third, enhanced productivity. With instant turnaround, the removal and installation of the valves happens on site at one time. Our goal is to get your plant back online as quickly and efficiently as possible. The fourth benefit is quality performance. All of our remanufactured valves are hydrostatic pressure tested to ensure body integrity, and they are seat leak tested to make sure the valves meet OEM leak rate tolerances. Each valve will come with a test certificate. You'll also get a 2-year service warranty from the date of installation. And finally, the fifth key benefit is cost savings. Instant turnaround can reduce labor and heavy equipment costs because you can remove and install the valves on site at one time. We'll even help you recycle your cores for credit that you can use toward your remanufactured replacements. On top of that, average material costs are 30% less on remanufactured valves compared to repairs. I've even seen cost savings of 65% or more for some of our clients. If you have any questions about instant turnaround, give us a call at 1-800-325-4808 or fill out the form at the end of this video. Our team is happy to help you get started.